I'm back, and I've already done the other side of my face with the lymph draining, and I've washed off all the body gel with just warm water and dried my face. And you can see that already it's a lot slimmer than when we first started. Eye bags have diminished a lot, and I do this almost every day, especially if I know I have a function to go to that night and where there's going to be lots of pictures taken. Then I do spend 5, 10, 15 minutes on both sides of my face to really emphasize the contouring and depuffing my face, and it really works. I do this almost every day. You can too. We're going to start with our facial now. So your facial, we're going to be using the facial head, which is this one with all the lines on it. And again, the clasp to the clasp, you're going to hear it click, and it's on. And make sure that the back is wet still. I still have the same cotton pad. I leave the same cotton pad on for my entire facial. So you're going to be getting a pack of facial gels. We're going to take 2 out. The first one we're going to be using is the clear one. It's the Pretreat. And this facial is recommended twice a week. So I do the lymph draining almost every day, and twice a week I'll do lymph draining plus the facial. So we're just going to cut the vial, cut off the tip. And again, the machine is not on. I'm just going to apply the gel to the side of my face that I'm going to be doing the facial. What I usually do is use 1/3 of the vial for half of my face, and the other 1/3 for the other half of my face, and I leave 1/3 for my neck, because you can't forget about your neck. And there's more than enough gel in there for you to do all 3 parts as well. So that's about 1/3 layer, nice layer on my skin. And we're going to turn the machine on to setting number 1, and that is preset for 2 minutes. So we're going to touch our face, wait for it to beep. Beep, it means that the machine is on. So we're going to start our facial. And just remember, the rule of thumb is to always go in an upward, outward motion. Now you can see, I'll come closer to the camera so you can see. A lot of people ask me, how much pressure should I be applying? So you can see that there is quite a bit of pressure, to the point where I am moving my skin, but you don't want to be scraping your skin in any way. But I do apply pressure, and I only apply pressure in the upward motion, and the downward motion is basically just bringing the machine back to your starting point, if that makes any sense. So but coming down is just going to be touching your skin gently. Going up, you're going to apply pressure. This is going to create the very lifting effect that all of us want. Safe to go right underneath the eye. You can hold it on your temple. You can always hold it in the upward motion for a few seconds. And in our forehead, we use a heel-toe motion. So we're going to go from our eyebrow, the end of the conductor head. We're going to touch our eyebrow, and then we're going to go into our forehead. We call this a heel-toe motion, and this is going to help with the lifting. And it can come back down. So the first step of the machine is going to be doing the deep cleansing. The machine is producing a galvanic current, and it's pushing the gel. So 3 beeps means that my facial is done. So what the machine is actually doing is pushing the gel, which is negatively charged, and the machine is going to be producing a negative charge as well. So they are going to repel each other, and that's how it's going to penetrate deep into your skin, and it's going to push all these negative ion gel into your skin. And we will start step 2. I'm going to do the second half of my face and my neck, and we will be back for the second step of your facial.